In case this helps someone, I have finally figured out how to fix my autofocus issue with my Canon Vixia. I've been using Canon Vixias for years to shoot content. Right now I'm using the Canon HF-G70 4K camera. These are the steps that I took to make sure that my camera stays focused on one fixed spot regardless of where my hands are in front of the camera. The first thing I always do is go to Menu, and then under Camera Setup, I toggle to number 2 in the menu. I turn off face detection and tracking. Then I press Menu to exit the menu. And next to my screen, I push the AF/MF button and make sure that it's set to manual focus. After that, I select Function and toggle all the way down to focus. Then I select M. Now I'm going to center my Pikachu hacky sack on the screen. I usually zoom in just a little bit to make sure that I'm really tight on my subject. Then I'm going to select the center of my subject on the screen, and 4 carets will start blinking as the camera focuses on my subject. Now I hit the X button and exit, and now no matter how much I zoom or put my hand in front of the camera stays focused on my subject in the distance. And if I ever move my camera, I have to refocus. But this is a great way to make sure everything that you intend to be in focus stays in focus no matter what.